All right, y'all. So we are live. Welcome back. Welcome back. Let's get it. Today we're gonna be going over the moving average, like I said. So the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and add the stock RSI is already there. So let's add the super trend VF. All right, and we're gonna add the moving average, just the regular one, not the exponential, not the channel, and not the weighted, just the regular moving average. All right, actually it went up there twice. We don't want it up there twice. Okay, let's fix the super trend. Line with breaks, price line. Okay, let me move this down. Alrighty. So what I like to do with the super trend, me myself personally, I like to change the color to a white and like to make the line just a little bit thicker so I can see exactly what's going on. So this is going to help you out as far as trend as well. It's going to give you a little bit more in depth on what's going on second by second, minute by minute, that type of feel, okay? So basically, it plays along with your super trend, okay? But like I said, just a little bit more tighter. It shows you a little bit more. And then it's going to help you. See, your sell line is here. So you wouldn't want to take no buy until the trend flips. Now, what I mean by the trend flipping, meaning when the candles close on the other side of the moving average. Any candles that's closing on the downside below the moving average is still a downtrend. Still a downtrend. So until you see this flip over and close, then it's still in a downtrend. As you can see, it's still pushing down. We on a 1 minute chart right now, so we can kind of see things work live. So basically with the moving average, you don't want to be looking to buy in until you see a uptrend. Let's try to find one here. Let's see. Here's one here. All right, so it came down, it closed under, bounce, closed over the line, closed over, bounce. See how it's moving upwards though? Still on top of that line. You have some that close here, but your super trend is letting you know here that its bounces are gonna happen within this zone. So you're just waiting on that bounce, your confirmation for it to close over the candle, and we're still moving upwards. Everybody see that happening?
Yeah.
All right, so that's basically, it's just that easy, really, you know?
Oh boy, it's clicking in.
So here, perfect read. You got it to close over, and this is how you get in early also. Because as you can see, our trend didn't actually change on the super trend until after the trend changed on the moving average. So either you could have got in here or you could have got in after that extra confirmation, which I would recommend. All right. Now, the only thing we have here is a conflict of interest as far as the RSI, stochastic. It's way too high. All right. So with that being said, you probably wouldn't want to enter that trade. If you did enter that trade, you would be looking to exit very fast, like here. And that's only, what, about 10, 15 minutes, if that? 1, 2, 3, yeah, about 10, 12 minutes. So that's kind of a conflict of interest. this one would have been a better entry. Okay, right around here would have been a great entry. Everything lines up. You got all your confirmations. You got your close over the moving average. At the same time, you have your super trend telling you that the trend is changing. And then you have your stock RSI down here that's crossing. All right. So that would have been a good trade. You could have held that for a while. Right around here, I guess, would have been a good sell. If you got, strong hands, could have held it around here. You got to remember this is the 1 minute chart. So the trend changes back and forth way more rapidly than any other expiry. Okay. 3 minute. As you can see, trend changes. We have a close above. We have a bounce, which is beautiful. And we have a constant uptrend, basically. Because you have your super trend telling you just in case it does cross below the moving average, you got your super trend to help you realize where that bounce may happen at so you can keep riding, okay? So we're definitely in a downtrend on 88 at the moment. Let's go to a higher time frame. And we're definitely in a downtrend on 88, just going into another one, okay? All these bounces are letting you know that a downtrend is going to take place. So we're getting close to a buy-in on the 12, though. All right, on 88. Let's look at another pair. Let's look at EOS. I called EOS last night, real late, and look at her. On the 1 hour, she is going into an uptrend. My RSI is telling me that she's overbought, but she could stay up there for a while. So on the 6 hour, we're looking at a sell around that 104, according to the super trend, and it is closing above the moving average. Now would be a great time to buy EOS, people. Live in the flesh. Let's look at the profit margin on this. Still looking at around just about 2.4%. Where was my? One second, you guys. Let me see. Orders. Oh wow. Donna, my order never filled either. I guess it bounced too hard.
Yeah, I was looking at it at the time that you had said that it was at 2 a.m. I looked back at that and saw that.
It ran off on us, huh?
Yeah, it ran off from, I think it went to like 98. It came down to 98 and kind of ran back off.
Okay, no worries. We'll get another chance. We will get another chance. Let me see something. Yeah, we still got. We still got plenty more chances. Everyone on EOS. She definitely hasn't flipped yet. Overall, going into up 12, 6, 3, 4, couple percent. Yep. She get ready to go back down though.
Mm-hmm.
So yeah, the moving average does play as a support and resistance as well. Very minor though. It's easy to break, but you will see bounces off the moving average as well. And you can read that along with the stochastics. All right. So if you see a cross in this blue, then you know more than likely you're going to see a break in the moving average. If you see a bounce on the blue, like you just saw, then you know that it's still fighting to break that moving average. The moving average means the momentum is bullish. Okay? Right now, the momentum is bullish. So had I been looking at the moving average last night when I called EOS, I would have probably realized that I set my buy too low. All right, so anybody have any questions on the moving average so far? Do y'all pretty much understand how it works? Anybody? Yes, no?
So does it move like the stochastic or?
Yeah, it moves. Okay. It moves. It repaints. It moves along with the markets as well. If that's what you're asking, but or are you asking, does it coordinate with the stochastic RSI? And
yeah, would you consider it a better indicator or just another confirmation?
No, I don't. Me personally, I don't even put indicators into a competition mode, which is better, which is not. The moving average, it works. Like I said, everything that I like to implement works together. So even if it doesn't coordinate with each other, there's a purpose for it on the charts to go along. So I would say mostly it's an on-screen coordination with your super trend. All right, so it's going to give you a little bit more in-depth look at what's going on versus just having your super trend. See, if I take the moving average off, you don't know about that minor resistance right there. See what I'm saying?
Mm-hmm.
See, now that minor resistance is, you don't know it's there. But if you put that moving average on there, like I just did, I got your question in the box. Now you can see.
You didn't press it?
Now you can see that minor resistance. See what I'm saying? So you don't really want to take that trade. Now, say for instance, you wasn't looking at that moving average, then you pretty much was like, oh, okay, I could take this trade now and catch that sell up here, right?
Mm-hmm.
But you don't have that confirmation as of yet because it has
because it's still
above that moving average. You see what I'm saying? So you can take that, but doesn't mean that it's gonna feel because it's still fighting that moving average.
Yeah.
You see what I'm saying? And that's this is a 12-hour candle. So you definitely aren't safe yet.
Yeah.
Because it's still in a downtrend. See that?
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
So if we were analyzing this now to do a buy-in for the midterm, since we missed that one, could you just do that now? Let's see.
I would wait until, like I said, until it closes over the moving average. You got a long way.
That's looking at the 12-hour. But right. if you were analyzing it then for the midterm, you would definitely look at the 12-hour.
I mean, look at the 6. The 6 is already confirmed.
Yeah, that's confirmed.
So you got to always look at your lesser and just because you on the 12-hour doesn't mean you're going to take your trade based off of just what you see on the 12-hour. You have to all the time frames depending on how long you want to hold the trade, how long you think you want to hold the trade. If it's going to be a weekly trade, then you want to look from the weekly. You want to look at the 2 week. See, the 2 week is in the uptrend, but the weekly is still in the downtrend.
Yeah.
See what I'm saying? So that means that 2 week, you need to wait for confirmation off of that 2 week to take this trade for a week. You got the 3 days still on the downtrend. 6 hour just flip. So that's indication of the daily could be getting ready to flip in a minute. 12 hours should be getting ready to flip in a minute. That's if we don't go back into a downtrend before, which looks like we won't. Until we hit that sell. So that wick already hit the sell. So that's one bounce already. We could be getting ready to go into a downtrend. Yep, a slight one.
Slight. Yeah.
Yep, a real slight one, just maybe. The 10, if it don't break, this is why we on a standstill right now. So you know how you just looking at a candle like, man, it's not moving. Now what you see why that moving average is showing you right at the price. Now see it's breaking. On the 10, it's breaking right now as we speak. We got 5 minutes to see if it closes above the moving average. Look at your stop. It's starting to bend upwards, but we need this red stock to come down more below this 20 as well.
To wait for it to
beautiful
cross.
buy. Because if we buy now, what might happen is what you just seen, a bounce. So if we buy now, this red may still push the blue down more because we need this red line under the 20 as well for a confirmation.
Okay.
But then the blue's supposed to cross the red?
Exactly.
Okay.
That's your confirmation, but we still need that red to come up under the 20 as well, you see?
Okay.
See how that red came right up under the 20 and then the blue crossed it? There's your buy.
What are those two at the bottom called again?
Stochastics RSI.
Okay.
Kathy is being recorded. Everybody that is late, it is being recorded, so no worries, no worries. All right, so what we're going to do right now, let's just watch EOS for a second. We just came up off of a nice buy order, a nice buy here. I mean, a nice trend change, I'm sorry. And we are currently, this is lining up pretty nice for a break on the moving average, but it hasn't been confirmed just yet. Let's sit back and watch the 5 minute for a second. We got 2 minutes. If you look over here to your right, you have 2 minutes, 17 seconds left on this candle before another 5 minute candle starts. So let's just watch the moving average and what it does.
Can you pull the screen over a little bit because I can't see the numbers on the side. No, the numbers on the side.
Over here?
Yeah. I can only see like the 0.01 and nothing after that.
I don't think I can do that.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I don't think I can.
Okay, yeah, you just did it. Yeah, whatever you just did. It went back.
Yeah,
Oh,
but
wow.
you ain't really just watching this moving average, Donna. You ain't
Yeah, I am watching it. That's cool.
really, yeah.
No problem.
Kathy, I don't know why you can't hear anything. Everybody else can.
Maybe the setting, if she's using her laptop, it could be the settings on it, though, for the microphone. For the hearing, because I had that problem the other day. And it was my settings on my computer.
I don't know what's going on with Kathy's audio, but everybody else can hear me. So we are seeing a cross on the 5 minute.
Yeah, she's coming down.
Stochastics. The blue line is now counterclock crossing the red, as you can see. That's letting us know that a break should be happening soon.
She might have to watch you on Facebook.
She said she was hearing until 3 minutes ago. I don't know what happened with that. I don't think I have any control over her hearing.
Why can't I hear?
No, we can hear you.
We can hear you. Now we can hear you, Kathy. We could, but I just muted it up.
All right, so she's crossing there.
I think she just left out. Yeah, I think she left out. All right, so we still haven't gotten that confirmation just yet on that candle. So we will be currently still waiting, even though stock is saying buy, buy, buy. Mm-hmm. So obviously I would be buying right now because it's gonna break.
So let's go buy right now then?
No, I would no, this is only a 5 minute candle, Dom.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, this is only a 5. If you buy right now, you'll be looking to sell right here. Enough percentage to even buy.
Okay.
She got excited.
Well, it's still sitting there with that buy order, so.
Oh, you can cancel that EOS buy order.
Okay.
Now I can hear, but I can't unmute myself. Kathy. Can you hear us, Kathy?
She said she can hear, but now she can't unmute herself.
Nah, I just let her in.
Hey, now just.
Oh Lord!
I think you just let me in.
All right, I let you in, Kathy. Something wrong with your
now, can you hear me?
Yeah, we can hear you.
Okay, it's not working. Okay.
It's just breaking
That's
up.
why. Okay, I'm gonna unmute myself. I'm gonna mute myself.
Okay. So let's see. Let's look at the hour real quick. Yeah, I mean,
Let me tell the girls to
it wouldn't be a bad buy, I guess, for a couple of percentage. Got like 2% in there. About almost 3 actually. I would do like a 2.5. And this is a 6-hour candle. So, oh yeah.
I have a cake.
Look about right. So if y'all was to buy in right now and catch a 2.5%, you could do so.
What's the sell or number there? 11 what?
Sell would be 0.01044,387. I would try to get a buy order for, just at that drop right around 0.1017. I would put maybe 6.9, 6.8, just to see if I can get a little bit more retrace, or you could buy at market price right now. Anything close to that 0.01017. So anything below that or slightly above would be a good buy.
And the sell was at what?
Sell is at 0.01044. 387 is the last 3 digits, but I think Binance you only could put in I think those 4 or 5 digits.
0.10144. Let me do a quick
0.01044 or 104.
Okay.
Whatever you have to stop at, 1044, or if you could put a 10443, then do that.
Give me 101443.
No, 0.01043. If you can't get all those digits in, then just take them out. If you can't get the 3 in, leave the 4. If you can't get the 4 in, leave the other 4. See what I'm saying?
Okay.
Because actually the 3, all of that really wouldn't make too much of a difference. Oh God. Yeah. You could just do 0.1440, 0.1044. That's 2.5%. Okay, Kathy. So let's go back to the 5-minute.
Selling now at 176.
You said what?
The sell order now on Binance is at 0.10175.
That's what the cheapest sell order is?
And that's the one in green, right?
No, that's the buy orders. Sell orders are in red.
Huh?
The buy orders are in green. Sell orders are in red.
Okay.
Green means buy, red means sell.
Yeah, the buy orders is in green. Sell orders in red.
So if you're looking to buy something, you will be looking at the sell orders. If you're looking you're looking to sell something, then you need to be looking at the buy prices.
Okay.
And We still haven't got our break yet.
208.
But as you can see, the perfect buy-in right now on the 5 minute would be 0.010184661 is the perfect buy-in, but I don't think it's gonna hit that price. We already bounced off of it here. So I don't know, it may not. Let's see. It is the 5 though, so super trend is pretty accurate. Definitely when it comes to that zone. There it is. There's the break.
Yeah.
All right, Lane, check out the video. Watch it over.
I guess we're gonna have to
Let's look at the 3 minute. The break has happened. The 1 minute, the break has happened. The 10 should be next. And you could just monitor your trades just like that. I mean, that's the best way to pinpoint the most on point sell prices possible. If you're able to watch your trades the whole time, then you should know exactly where to sell. If you're looking to enter, then now you know. On the lower time frames are the best places to find your entries. And then you just ride it from there. So if you on a 4 hour, you're looking like, we still got a lot of profit to go for our super trend said we need to sell on the 4 hour. We got a nice big wick indicating more bullish momentum. Got a small wick on this side. So get the 6 hour if we want to look for more profit. 12, look at that 12 hour. That means we got a lot of more profit we can catch if we be patient. Let's see. 12 hour, we're looking at a nice, I would go for 6% looks sweet. Nah, I would go right at the top of that wick there, which is about 5.78%. 12 hours. That's my second target. So you could sell 50% on the first target and hold the other 50% for the second target. Or whatever percentage you would like. 50-50, 60-40, 70-30, whatever percentage you would like.
So the first target was at 10192.
No.
Where was it? I didn't write. Oh no, it's
it was 01044.
443. Yeah, I got it. I wrote it down. So second target is 0.106.
Let's look for a longer term target. That's a 12. I would say 12 to 24, maybe 48 hours at the longest. Let's look at the 1 day. Okay, y'all just saw it repaint, right? If you watch the video back over, you'll see as soon as I clicked on it, it repaint. That sell order came down a little bit. So that's why you guys have to watch, because like I told you, the super trend repaints, meaning it moves with the market. It adjusts to the markets. As the markets move, see, it just went up. So you guys have to pay attention to that. Just because it's there doesn't mean it's always going to be there. So you have to go back and reanalyze your trades. All right. So on the daily, I wouldn't even be looking for a third target as of yet. I would stick with my second target until I see a flip on the daily, and then I would readjust for this third target. All right. So right now we only have 2 targets. We could have 3, but that would be less profit. We have to adjust it, make the first target lower, second target, third target. So right now I would just stick with those 2 until we see a confirmation on the daily. So everybody pretty much sees how this works, right? This moving average. This moving average works in Forex as well. You saw the close happen live above. Then you saw the bounce. Now you're seeing the actual bullish move start to happen. Okay. It just closed above the moving average here. Then it came back down, bounced off the moving average. Closed above the moving average still, or right on it. And we're seeing a bullish move on the 5-minute as we speak. The movement in cryptocurrency is definitely picking up, y'all. Starting to move a little faster than it was last year. That's for daggone sure. So y'all make sure y'all start studying these charts harder and harder, because as the momentum, the volume picks up, the speed is going to pick up, and you're going to have less time to get into entries. You're going to have less time to decide what you really need to do.
Yeah.
So you have to really buckle down and start studying and just really watching the charts, minute by minute. Still very, very slow compared to Forex, but it's moving faster now. Because I remember I could sit here and stare at a 5-minute candle and not see no movement. All right, we got to close below. But no, we didn't close yet. Getting ready to 2 minutes. So we might be looking at a better buy-in price on the 5. Yep. Gonna see a break, maybe. That super trend is sweet, y'all. That's why, like I said, they both coincide with each other. Because the super trend is telling you to wait on this buy down here. The RSI is crossed back under, so has the moving average is crossing back over, but it could be a fake out. So that's why you always want to wait until the close of a candle. You never really want to try to take many trades in the middle of a candle or on entries and exits, should I say. So we have a close below the moving average on the 5. Actually, it didn't even close yet. They think they slick. It's still going. And it's supposed to be closed by now. Like seriously. That's what you call a gap. See how it opened 4 minutes and 30 seconds? That's a gap.
I love you and treat you. I love you.
What are you doing, EOS?
All right. How to start that by order again. Let's watch it. Check. Oh.
I think we might see a flip. No, not yet. No, definitely not yet. So y'all see me flipping through the different time frames, basically just getting a little bit more insight on when certain trends should change. Why is it taking so long to do what I wanted to do? Oh wow, did y'all see that? Y'all didn't see that. Y'all didn't see that?
How much hours is that?
Y'all just didn't see that happen?
No, what just happened? I just took my eyes away.
It's like a big wick that just happened.
For a minute.
Yeah, 3 minutes is saying we should wait, but it's set for a little lower. Either that or it's gonna stay in consolidation.
So where that big wick just went? That big old wick.
It was on the 1 minute. I think the 1 minute is what I saw it. Yeah. At the close of that candle.
I'm gonna sell off.
See it now?
Yeah.
Y'all didn't see that. I just been doing this for so long. That's one thing about cryptocurrency. The sales happen a lot faster than they do in Forex. That's one thing. So yeah, we're in like a consolidation mode. When you have about 4 or 5 candles, no real fluctuation, that's called consolidation.
Okay.
So that just means the market is building power to go whichever way. Our technical analysis is saying bullish. So we're gonna see a boom, 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 one of those, one of these.
So that buy-in was still okay then?
Huh?
That buy order was still okay then?
It was still open.
The one that we just did?
Yeah, it should be still open. It should probably fill right around now, I guess. Cause what was your buy? 1017, right?
Yeah. I said it for that, but I don't know.
1017. I don't know what I forgot what I said now.
Yeah, fill it. Fill it at a 1017. So I guess I'm going.
So now it's time for you to set your sale at that first or that second sale price that I gave you, depending on which one you want to do. 10443. Yeah.
443.
Yeah. 10443. Or lower. You can go, I said or lower. You can go a little lower if you want to. You don't have to shoot for all of it. I mean, you can take a safer sale if you want. There's nothing wrong with taking profit early.
Let me go back, look at it again. What was the next? 443. So go a little bit down.
Well, you can if you want. You can go to 10435.
Oh, what did I do? Press something.
But you know, the super trend is pretty accurate when it comes to the sales too. So I just like to be safe.
I had Binance did a while ago. Okay, 4.
I'd rather miss my buy than miss my sale.
I pressed the enter button instead of 35. 35, you said. 104. Okay.
So does anybody have any questions on the moving average yet still? Everybody pretty. I mean, it's pretty simple. I wouldn't really expect so many questions on the moving average. It's real simple.
All right, let me set a second one more.
The next indicator I will be showing you guys will more than likely be the Keltner channel. Get ready for that. That's one of my favorites. That's my
Yeah, I
baby.
like that one too.
Keltner channel is my sweetheart. I use her for everything, forex and crypto.
Yeah, that one remind me of the one from Forex, living my mind right now. But it basically shows you where the trend is going.
Well, I use the Keltner for the basis, the foundation of divergence.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, not a lot of people. I might be one of the only ones that I know of that use the Keltner channel the way I use it. I'll be teaching y'all. That's kind of the foundation, the basis of how I depict my divergence. It's a lot easier than trying to watch it with the naked eye. And just the counter patterns alone. So the Keltner channel should visualize it and see it better while it's happening versus having to depict when it's going to happen. We'll go into all that later. You guys don't have any questions about this momentum, I'm about to wrap it up. Yeah, it's about an hour.
Ready? See when you're having fun?
Jojo just woke up.
All right.
Watch your phone. As soon as you get up, that's the first thing you think about. Why? That's not good.
Oh, she's moving on up. That coinager that you're using right there, that's a paid one? It's a free one. Okay.
So, yeah, we still haven't got an official flip yet out of the 5. We had a nice fake out, 2 of them, actually. Yeah. I hear you, Jojo, baby. Give me a second. So, yeah, everything's in a bearish trend right now. So, don't worry, though, Donna. You might have bought in
About a thing.
a tad bit too early, but it doesn't.
Every little thing gonna be alright.
We got a big bounce coming very, very soon.
I need to save some of this. You know, I didn't really want to sell it.
We're looking at maybe a retrace of about 1%, maybe at the most.
Yeah. Oh, and there was to hold on to some of it, but anyway.
Yeah, maybe a 0.5%, a little over 0.5%. No worries. If anybody else took that, no worries, y'all. Just keep an eye on that 6 hour.
I'll be fast asleep.
We're saying tomorrow. I don't think it's gonna hit within the next 3.5 hours on this candle. So you're looking at least about 9 hours.
Yeah, I'll be sleeping when it's hitting.
or less. Let's say about 12 or less. Let's look at this 12 hour. Maybe a little longer than 12. Yeah, maybe a little longer. It'll be a nice little hole, just depending on how fast everybody start to buy in. Might see a lot of movement pick up around between 3 o'clock, 3 a.m. my time. Right around that time, it'll probably be a lot more volume going in.
What happened at 3?
That's like Asian session. It's around the time, it's a round the clock thing. So
Yeah.
sleeping some of that. It's another country trade.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, they got your phone right here, laughing so hard, you choking yourself?
I turned the car like this.
You such a good actor.
All right.
So yeah, y'all, we're gonna wrap it up. I'm gonna stop this recording now.